Hello everyone, today we're going to show you Samsung washing machine, which is an ad wash. So you top up softener in here and you top up detergent in here, then you don't have to top up again and again. It will take automatic depending on the load you have. Maximum 9 kilo. It's got all these functions, colors, mixed load, 15-minute quick wash, 800 spin. It's got hygiene steam as well, so this washer is with steam. All these functions, drain and spin, 1400 spin, drum clean as well on 70 degrees. So beautiful 9 kilo washing machine.